What's going on, Three of a Kind gang? Today is a good day. Can't tell? We're going riding. I've got to do some maintenance. I'm gonna change the plug, change the oil, and then we're off, man. I'm so excited. I got some new gear last night. I can't wait to show you guys. And hopefully, man, today's just gonna be a ripper. The first thing I like to do is wipe out my oil pan a little bit. That way, if any contaminants or chunks of anything come out, there's no question it came out of my motor. Just no bueno. So that's the first thing. So now I'm gonna drain the oil, and hopefully it all looks good. Put 750 cc's back in it. If you ask a forum what oil to use, you will hear lots and lots and lots of different things. I'm gonna go with the Yamalube Trans Oil Plus. My buddy Austin runs it. His dad owns the motorcycle shop. If there's anybody I know that I can trust, it's that guy. He wouldn't steer me wrong, I don't think. So I'm gonna get started. Look at it, guys. That oil is brand new. It didn't even need changed. But definitely not hurting anything putting fresh oil in a bike. A lot of guys say you need to change your oil after every couple rides, but you know, when I was in high school riding YZ250s, I changed oil twice a summer maybe. So I don't know. You will see here I got a little bit of trash on the tip of the drain plug. Definitely didn't really expect to see that, but I'm sure a little bit of clutch material is completely normal. I mean, my bike now has almost 13 hours on it. Hopefully today it'll have like 16. Got it cleaned off. So a little bit left on there, but got it cleaned off. I'll dip it in the oil to lubricate it and help it seal better, and stick it back in there. We're almost done draining. Another thing that is super important is not to over tighten your bolt. So I've heard a lot of stories of these stripping out and people having to go to all magnetic bolts. I don't want to be in that position. Just gonna get it snug right there. That's it. The oil goes back in right there. I'm gonna have to go find a funnel because I am not the type that can just, you know, pour it in there freehand. All right, here we are. Ultimate Motocross Park. Never ridden this track before. This is all new to me. Can't wait to check it out. I'm gonna be honest, this looks dingy, man. But Rio Bravo wasn't open, so I'm gonna have to deal with it and see what this place is all about. Looks like I gotta sign in right here. Okay guys, so there's something out there. I hear a dirt bike in the distance. It's a good sign. Getting over to this building that doesn't look inviting. Check it out.
We gotta come over to our bathroom, so we gotta make sure we have him.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. All right, we're riding. There's definitely a track. That is definitely a track. I think it says restrooms there. I guess those are the ones that aren't working. It's a pretty good sized track. It looks like it's pretty even. There's not a bunch of ruts. Yeah, I'm stoked. Look at this berm. I like that berm. Can't wait to rip that berm. Nice and slow.
almost ate it. I don't remember which. I think it was right here, man. I was like, whoa.
A little bit sketchy.
Hey, I see you have a mount. Will you wear my GoPro?
What?
I said, I see you have a mount. Will you wear my GoPro?
Yeah, sure, I'll wear it.
Right here. Sweet. Let me switch it out real quick. Yeah, for me it's just like a medium, like yeah.
Well, if you hit it and let off, it like spins your tire and then stops kind of.
Oh.
And it just like resets you kind of.
Oh,
so,
yeah. It's got to be like smooth, linear.
Yeah, just like a gas it real hard, real fast. It spins your tire real fast and kind of just stops it, and that whatever it does straightens you back.
I've been feeling it. Like I've been getting more and more.
No, you're good. I mean, third time out, that's crazy.
I appreciate it.
Took me a while. I mean, first time I got on a 450, I was like 13. So.
Yeah. Well, I was 14 when I got my 250 in high school, but there's a 10-year gap between the last time I rode a YZ250 to this time, getting this.
Oh, yeah.
So like 10 years later, or even more. No, shit. 18, so I'm 31. 13-year gap, dude.
Yeah. It's been, this is only like my second, or maybe kind of my third time since, so I was riding in Colorado, I cased the jump super hard, so I hit it, and then I landed on the start of a next jump.
Oh.
And my knee took all the impact, and it like swole up to protect it, but then I got an infection in it, so I had to have surgery, and there's like a 4-inch.
All right, guys. Whew. Last ride in. You guys didn't see it. My GoPro was dead, but that's gonna be it from, what is this place called? Ultimate Motocross Park. And it's fun, man. It's a lot more fun than I expected. I am super glad I made the decision to trek down here. The bike is real dirty. Real dirty. Had a long hour drive, but man, I mean, I wouldn't trade it for nothing. What a good day. Guys, one more thing. Y'all be safe, take care of yourselves, and do something to change the world, all right? God bless.